Here's some Montessori approach trivia. Subscribe. Who developed the Montessori Method? Is it A. John Dewey, B. Maria Montessori, C. Friedrich Froebel, or D. Jean Piaget? The correct answer is B. Maria Montessori. What age range does Montessori cater to? Is it A, 0 to 3 years, B, 12 to 15 years, C, at 18 years, or D, 18 to 25 years? The correct answer is C, 0 to 18 years. Which country originated the Montessori approach? Is it A, Spain, B, Italy, C, Germany, or D, France? The correct answer is B, Italy. What is the focus of Montessori education? Is it A, standardized testing, B, teacher-led instruction, C, child-led learning, or D, rote memorization? The correct answer is C, child-led learning. What term describes mixed-age classrooms in Montessori? Is it A, age-segregated classes, B, single-age learning, C, same-age grouping, or D, multi-age grouping? The correct answer is D, multi-age grouping. What kind of learning is emphasized in Montessori? Is it A, hands-on activities, B, rote memorization, C, virtual simulations, or D, lecture-based learning? The correct answer is A, hands-on activities. Which concept encourages learning at one's own pace? Is it A, self-directed learning, B, collaborative learning, C, lecture-based education, or D, group projects? The correct answer is A, self-directed learning. What is a characteristic feature of Montessori materials? Is it A, teacher-led instruction, B, tangible and self-correcting, C, digital and interactive, or D, standardized testing? The correct answer is B, tangible and self-correcting. How does Montessori view nature in education? Is it A, a minor element, B, a distraction, C, an integral part, or D, an optional activity? The correct answer is C, an integral part. What style of learning takes place in Montessori classrooms? Is it A, experiential learning, B, online learning, C, traditional education, or D, passive learning? The correct answer is A, experiential learning. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.